Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to create a demo Shopify account for practice. So without any further delay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, so for creating a demo Shopify account, I'm gonna write Shopify partner on Google. Then I'm gonna click on enter. Then I'm gonna click on the first link, which is called Become a Shopify partner today. Then I'll click on login. Then I have to provide an email address, and if you provide an email address, you can click on continue with email. But for the time being, I'm gonna click on continue with Google. Okay. Then I have to choose one of the Google accounts if you have multiple. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Then you can see it is redirecting me to a Shopify partner page. Then I'm gonna click on stores and I'll click on add store, and from there I'm gonna click on create development store. Then you can choose create a store for a client, or you can choose create a store to test and build. Okay, so I'll keep the first one. Okay, create a store for client. Then I need to give a store name, so I'm gonna name the store as e-commerce service analytical. Okay, then this is the URL, so I'm gonna copy the URL and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. And you can see where is this business located, so you can give your targeted location. So I'll keep it as Bangladesh. Then does this merchant operate a brick and mortar store? So if you want, you can click yes, and if you don't have this option, you can click on no. Is this merchant currently selling through another platform, e.g. Magento, Commerce, etc.? So I'm going to click on no. Then I'll click on create development store. So you can see it is creating my store. So it may take some time. Please have some patience. So you can see a store has been created. Okay. Then, so I try to see how it is looking like. Then I'm gonna change the URL, and so for getting the password, I'll go to the online store, and from the preferences section, I can change the code or use this code. Okay, perfect. So if I scroll down a little bit, then you will see this is the code. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it from here and paste it over here and click on enter. So you can see our dummy Shopify store has been created. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna add some products to this store. Okay, so I'll go to the admin panel. So for going to the admin panel, as this is a Shopify CMS, I'll write my website URL. Then I'm gonna write /admin. Okay, Perfect. Then you can see I'm in the admin panel of my Shopify store. Okay. Then I'll click on products. Then I'm going to click on add your products. Then I'll name the product as t-shirt, for example. And as the description, I'll write a random description like best t-shirt collection. Okay, for media, I will click on upload new. Then I'll go to the download section. I have already downloaded a t-shirt image, so I'm gonna upload it. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna choose online store from here, and as the product type, you can give it as t-shirt. Okay, and tag is t-shirt. Okay, then price is, for example, $25. Compare price $1. Track quantity. Okay, so I'll give 100, for example. Then I'm gonna click on save. Okay, let's see whether this product has been added or not. So you can see we have added a product. Okay, so if you click on this product, then you can see over here you can add this product to the cart. You can click on view cart. Then you can go to the checkout page. Then if you provide the necessary info, then you can purchase the product. Okay, so let's see how we can add cash on delivery and how we can purchase the product. Okay, so for adding cash on delivery, I'm gonna go to the settings portion. Okay, then I'll click on payments. Then from the payment provider, I'm gonna click on choose provider. Then you can enable this bogus gateway. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one, and I'll click on activate bogus gateway. Okay, so if you activate bogus gateway, then you can purchase the product freely. Okay, so I'll show you. So I'm gonna click on this product. Then I'll click on add to cart. I'm gonna click on view cart. I'll click on checkout. Then for example, I'm gonna provide my email, like I'm giving abc@gmail.com. Okay, then the country is Bangladesh. First name is ABC. Last name is DEF. Address is, for example, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay. City, Dhaka. Postal code 1213. And I'm going to click on save this information for next time. Then I'll click on continue to payment. Then I'll click on continue to payment again. Then in the payment section, you need to provide the credit card number as 1. And name of the card, you can give the name of the card as, for example, ASSC. Then you need to give the expiration date. So I'm gonna give the expiration date as 2/25, and I'll provide the security code as 1. So if you are using Bogus Gateway, make sure you are giving the card number as 1, and you have to give 3-digit security code. Okay. Then in the expiration date section, you need to give the future date, like this is 2023. So make sure you are giving the date like 2024 or 2025. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on pay now. Then we'll be able to purchase a product. You can see over here, thank you, ABC. Confirmation. So your order is confirmed. So by this way, you can create a Shopify demo store and set up all the necessary events like add to cart, view content, view cart, checkout, and purchase. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can set up a dummy Shopify store and how we can purchase the product from this store. Okay, so hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.